What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan Grubb here with Extreme.Outdoorsmen. If you guys are new here to the channel, really appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out my videos. But make sure to go hit that subscribe button and also go over in the corner and give me a thumbs up on this video. I would really appreciate it. Hope you guys are liking all my content. I've been posting videos weekly, 2 to 3 videos every week. So hopefully you guys are liking all the videos. Drop a comment below what you guys think of them. But today, it is actually 30 degrees, and if you guys know, here in Michigan, boating is illegal right now. So I decided to go pick up my neighbor's kayak, and I am going to be battling some crazy conditions today. It's like a blizzard here in Michigan right now, snowing like crazy. We're supposed to get like 2 to 3 inches by the end of the night, but hopefully I can get on a big fish today. With these cold fronts, fish usually tend to bite like crazy. So I'm thinking that I'm gonna get on some action today, but it's definitely gonna be cold out there. So hopefully I can get on some good fish, and we'll see you guys here in a little bit out on the GoPro. Also, guys, I wanted to mention that I'm probably gonna be throwing around a variety of different colors today. Probably gonna be throwing all chatterbaits and spinnerbaits, maybe some shad traps and crankbaits, but we're just gonna see what they want today. Hopefully get on a big one. We'll see you guys out there in a second. Alright guys, so like I said, I'm starting off with this chatterbait. It's a Z-Man chatterbait with a havoc on the back, green pumpkin havoc. Hopefully I can get on some big fish today. I'm just going to be throwing this color, the green pumpkin, then probably black and blue, and also another bait. It's kind of like green with red and gold flakes in it. So I'm just going to see what they like today. Hopefully land a freaking mondo. This is a time when you can catch some big fish, guys. They're biting. Just gonna be working this chatterbait super slow back to the boat. Seems like I'd get on a hog today. No one being out here. I'm the only person at the launch. Just gonna be casting up by shore, letting it sink to the bottom. Wait like 2 to 3 seconds, letting it sink. Right now you want to work your lures a bunch of different ways. Just find out how the fish want it. You can even reel it in super fast and then stop it, let it sink to the bottom. You're really just trying to find out how the fish are eating today. It's actually not that cold out once I got out here and start paddling. Pretty nice, actually. It'll be even nicer if I can get on a couple bass. Couple 3-4 pounders, maybe a 5 pounder. That'll do. That'll do. Oh, there's a fish. Yes. Oh, he's off, I think. Oh no, there he is. Nice bass. First couple casts, guys. I told you they're biting. Right there on the chatterbait. Woo! I knew they'd hit today. With this cold front moving in, those bass just tear up the chatterbait. Pretty cool, guys. First fish of the day. I've only been out here probably like 10 minutes. Maybe not even 10 minutes. Super cool. Probably like a 12 to 15 incher. Not a big one, but I'll find the big ones today, guys. Don't worry. Nice one. So, guys, I just pulled a fish out of this point right here. Due to the fact that I just caught one right there, I'm going to sit back and make probably like 5 to 10 more casts in that spot. There should be another one right there. Oh, there's a bite. They're in here, guys. They're in here. Oh, there's another hit. They're liking this chatterbait so far, guys. 3 hits already. Been out here like 10 minutes. That's crazy. I'm gonna get another one out of this spot. Just watch, guys. Throw it out, let it sink down, pop it a couple times, just reel it super, super slow, tearing it up. Come on, big fish. Oh, there's a hit. Dang it. It's hard to set the hook in these kayaks. I definitely give kayakers props because this is kind of tough. It's definitely a different hook set in my opinion. Well, I got one fish out of that point. I'm gonna move around this point. There's a bunch of docks over here. Just gonna cast around the docks. See if there's any fish over here. Come on, big fish. Where you at? Oh, there was a hit. Dang it. It's hard to set the hook in this kayak. Oh, there was one. Dang it. Oh, there he is. Oh, yes. Feels like a bigger one. He's pulling the kayak. Woo! Yes, that's a big one. Yes. Oh, no. Yes. Woo! There's a nice largemouth bass. Probably 3.5, 4 pounder. Nice fish. Just throwing it up by those docks and reeling in the chatterbait super slow, guys. They're drilling it today. That green pumpkin black chatterbait with a havoc on it. Nice. Oh, there goes my rod. Oh, that was super cool. He drilled it, missed it, then came back for it. Nice fish. That was super cool, guys. I love getting out here and fishing. All right, guys, gonna let this fish go. Check out the belly on it, though. Freaking tanker. Nice fish. Yep, she splashed me. Good way of saying goodbye, I guess. So, guys, I just caught that really nice bass. It was probably like 3.5, 4 pounds. She had a gut on her, but she absolutely teared up that chatterbait. So there's got to be other fish in there, guys. I just caught them right under that dock over there. I'm gonna make a few more casts and then move on, but there should be some more fish in here. Whoa, that is not good. There we go. Everyone gets a backlash now and then, guys. Can't always be perfect. So, guys, it's going pretty good out here so far. I've caught a few fish. That one that I caught was probably like 3.5, 4 pounds. He literally drilled that chatterbait. He hit it once and missed it and then came back another time and just teared it up. That was pretty cool, but it's actually not that cold out here. Once I got out here and started kayaking around the lake, I am warming up pretty fast, guys. I got a bunch of layers on, so it's actually pretty hot out here. But I've caught a few fish in these little bays back here. I'm gonna go back to one of my favorite bays back that way, see if I can get on a bunch of big fish. I was out here last week and actually probably had one of the best days of fishing that I've ever had on this lake. So hopefully I can get on a big one back there, maybe a 4 or 5 pounder. That would be super cool, but we'll see you guys back there in a sec. What the heck? They're hitting it, guys. I just had 2 hits right there on the way to the kayak, reeling it in. Alright guys, well, I think it is time to change up lures. I've been throwing this lure for probably like an hour now, hour and a half. Got 2 fish on it, but I'm changing up to the golded blade chatterbait with a havoc on. This one's kind of like a green and gold and red, so it looks pretty good. I'm going to tie this on real quick, hopefully get on some fish on this lure. So guys, I just tied this on. It looks pretty good. Like I said, it's got a gold blade, green head. It's got some gold and red flakes in there. Looks pretty good. Hopefully get on a big fish on this color. Oh, dang it, that's not a fish. It's a stump. Yeah, I was throwing that green pumpkin black chatterbait for a while. That's what I caught my fish on, but I threw it for like an hour and nothing. So I changed up to this one. The heck, I have someone else's line. I'm wrapped in someone else's line. I'm gonna pull it in. Maybe there's a lure on it.
There's a fishing rod.
There's a spinnerbait.
Really?
Yeah. Look. A white spinnerbait. Alright guys, well I just cast it out. I thought I had a fish on, but I had someone else's lure actually. Check this out. A white spinnerbait, white and gold. That's pretty cool. That's a score.
Oh, really?
Yeah, he's at the launch right now, I guess. Just sitting there.
Oh, well, maybe I'll go there and see him.
Yeah, that guy. Oh, there's a fish. Oh, sweet. I'll call you back.
Alright, bye.
Alright guys, nice fish on the chatterbait. I just tied that on. Oh, he drilled it. Oh yes. Woo! Check that out guys. Nice fish on that chatterbait. Like I said, I just tied on this new chatterbait. It's gold. It's got a gold blade right there, but check that fish out. That was pretty cool. I was just actually talking to my mom on the phone. She just called me. I cast it out and he drilled it, just reeling that chatterbait in super slow along the bottom. Pretty cool. Nice fish. Check this out right here. It looks like he got hit by a bigger fish or something, but nice fish. Got this one. Like I said, I'm gonna release it here, but check out the belly on it. It's probably a solid 3.5 pounder. I would, something like that. It's a nice one though. I don't have a scale, but gonna toss it back. Nice fish. When you catch fish in the cold like this, when you have them out of the water, like I say in all my other videos, make sure to hold them for a minute. Make sure they're ready to go. All right, he's starting to kick. All right, he's ready. There he goes. Good fish, guys. That was pretty cool. Oh, there's a fish. Oh, yes. Big old pike. All right, guys. Well, I just cast it out by that dock right there. I think my GoPro died, but I just caught this pike. grabbing it real quick. He drilled my chatterbait, guys. Check that out. Nice pike, probably like 20, 30 inches. Probably 20 to 25 inches. But nice pike. Pretty cool, guys. They're loving this chatterbait today. He freaking drilled my chatterbait. That was cool. But nice pike. Oh, there's a fish. Yes. Nice fish. Feels like a pike again. Big head shakes. Oh, it's a nice bass. Oh. Nice bass. Holy crap. It's a pig. Holy crap, guys. It's a giant. Oh, what the heck? That's a freaking pig, guys. Holy crap. They're munching these chatterbaits today, guys. Check that out. He freaking inhaled it on the chatterbait. That's sweet. Holy crap. Right after I caught that pike too, there's a bunch of fish in this little bay right here. But check that out. Beautiful fish. It's got a big back on her. Alright guys, releasing this fish back into the water. That was freaking insane. Nice fish. Oh. There it goes, guys. That was super cool. Nice fish. So guys, it is absolutely coming down like crazy. It's a blizzard out here in Michigan. It's snowing like crazy. I think, like I said earlier, we're supposed to get like 2 to 3 inches. And it is mid-April. That is crazy, guys. But I am out here on the lake and I am absolutely hammering the fish today. They are tearing up that chatterbait. But check out the snow. It is just coming down. This is absolutely extreme weather, guys. Like you would say, I'm extreme outdoorsman and I am out here battling this extreme weather, guys. So it's kind of funny, but we are out here getting on some fish, guys. This day is absolutely crazy. I've been catching a bunch of fish on the chatterbaits and they have been inhaling that chatterbait. It's all like 3-4 pounders. I've been catching some really nice ones today. And like I said, when this cold front moves in, a lot of big fish hit. You're not gonna catch a ton of fish, but you're gonna get the big ones, guys. So hopefully I can get on a couple more fish, but it is almost dark here. I got like 30-45 more minutes till dark, but it's been a super good day out here, guys. So hopefully stick 1 or 2 more fish. That would be cool, but we'll see you guys here in a little bit. Oh. Alright guys, well I'm just getting done fishing. It's almost dark here. Just put the kayak in the truck. And it was absolutely an insane day out on the water, fishing in extreme conditions. It's snowing and like 30 degrees. It's freezing, guys, but I got it done. Got on some really nice fish today. And it was super fun getting out on the water. Hopefully get out another day and get on some bigger fish, but it was super fun today. If you guys are not subscribed, make sure to go hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned.